What's up everyone, my name is Tucker Job here with Nisswa Marine, and today we are talking about this 2021 Liquid Force Pod Foil. Let's get right into it. So if you're that wake surfer or wakeboarder that's looking to step up your game, the foil just might be for you. Basically how this foil works, you got this 27-inch stem, so when you are riding on the water, you're about 2 feet out of the water, actually like hovering over the water. And this right here is called the wing, and it works almost as an airplane. It comes in many different sizes, depending on what size you want, the easier it's gonna be. So this stem right here actually acts as like a pump. So if you're in flat water and you say you have a bigger wing, you could pump in flat water and keep going to stay above the water. Adjusting the swing backwards or forward will give you more of a challenge. The farther back it is, the farther forward you're gonna have to lean to keep that board nice and level when you're on that wave. As you can see here, new in 2021, Liquid Force came out with the option to add straps to the board. This is going to help you if you're that beginner rider and have trouble keeping your feet on the board. Those straps are going to hold you in. So my biggest tip on learning how to foil would to always start out slow and have a lot of front pressure on the board, because that is going to even you out and you're not going to go flying out or the board's going to take off. Keep in mind when you're just starting out to foil, speed is not going to be your friend. Like wake surfing, you're going to want to go about 11 miles an hour, so you can still have that full mobility of the board before you start foiling at higher speeds. The coolest thing about this board, in my opinion, is that your buddy could be surfing on the main wave, carving around, but you could be back 3 more waves foiling and just having a blast at the same time as your buddy. We have this 2021 Liquid Force Pod Foil here at Nisswa Marine, along with tons of other skim and surf style boards. Come check them out. Would be happy to help you find your right board. See you on the water.